Hello guys! So galing kami. We came from Costco and this is our first time to try their almond marzipan filled croissant. Looks good and smells so good. So it's $14.99. Always with 99. So let's try.
Make. Don't make my car dirty, huh?
I didn't expect the feeling is like that. I was expecting like the Bavarian feel or something.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah. But it's good, not sweet.
It's good.
It's good.
Not too much sweet. Right?
I feel it's good. Try it again.
Yeah, but I need to drink water.
It's good. And it's heavy. I think one piece is enough. 1 to 10. What's your rate? 10 is the highest.
7.
I think they need to put more almonds and more this one confectioner sugar. I think.
Yeah. No, sugar is enough.
But it's good.
I think they need more almonds.
Yeah,
that's good.
Okay. Till next time. Bye-bye.